What if I told you that most dropshippers don't quit because of ads or TikTok bans or even bad products? They quit because of this, the endless mind-numbing manual work that comes with running a store. Let me paint you a picture. Ethan is a 26-year-old working a 9-to-5 job. He started dropshipping to escape the grind, but instead of freedom, he found himself glued to his laptop every single night, copying product descriptions line by line, uploading blurry images one by one, manually emailing suppliers for tracking numbers. He was exhausted, overwhelmed, and on the verge of giving up. Sound familiar? That's the reality for most beginners. The back-end work eats you alive before you ever see success. But what if I told you that in 2025, you don't actually have to do most of this stuff yourself? What if your store could practically run hands-free while you're at work, asleep, or even catching up on Netflix? That's exactly what I'll show you today. We're going step by step through how to automate your Shopify store using Doba and some of the top Shopify apps. By the end, you'll see how Ethan's painful manual grind turned into a streamlined, automated business that gives him his evenings back. This video is brought to you by Doba. Click the link in the description to learn more. Here's the problem. Let's get real for a second. Most dropshippers think the hard part is finding products or running ads. But the real killer is the repetitive back-end work. Importing products, updating inventory, syncing across platforms, fulfilling orders, and managing shipping. Do any of these sound like you? Let me know in the comments. Spending hours copy-pasting products, descriptions, realizing your supplier ran out of stock after you already made sales, forgetting to send tracking numbers, and dealing with angry customer emails. These are things that burn people out, and that's exactly where automation changes the game. That's why I tested out Doba alongside some of the best Shopify automation apps to see how close we can get into running a store on autopilot. And here's the good news. If you stack the right tools, you can automate 80% or more of your workload. So let's break it down feature by feature using our fictional character Ethan's before and after story so you can see just how big the transformation is or could be. Product imports and inventory sync. Doba integrates directly into Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Temu, and more. That means no messy spreadsheets, no duplicate entries, and no manual stock checks. Before automation, Ethan would spend 2 or 3 hours every night copying descriptions from AliExpress, resizing low-quality photos, then realizing the next day that half of these products were already out of stock. He was drowning in busy work and wasting time on products that weren't even live anymore. After automation, with Doba, he clicks once to import products, and inventory stays synced automatically. Prices, stock levels, and descriptions update in real time without him touching a thing. What used to take hours now happens while he's watching his favorite documentaries on Netflix. But what about order fulfillment through Doba? Let's talk about it. Normally, when a customer buys something, you have to manually send the order to your supplier, wait for them to confirm, and then chase them down for a tracking number. It's stressful, it's slow, and customers hate waiting. Now, before automation, Ethan would get PayPal notifications at work, then sneak into the bathroom at his job just to manually type in orders to his supplier's site. He'd lose track of who paid, which order was shipped, and when to send tracking numbers. Refund requests piled up. After automation with Doba, orders flow straight from Shopify to the supplier, and tracking numbers sync automatically. Ethan doesn't touch a thing. And while he's sitting in his office at work, orders are being fulfilled in the background and his customers are already getting tracking emails. What about AI product optimization? Let's talk about Doba's AI listing optimizer. Having the wrong product title or a boring description is the silent killer of sales. Customers just scroll right past. That's why Doba's AI listing optimizer is such a game changer. It rewrites your product titles and descriptions into high-converting, SEO-friendly versions in seconds. Before being aware of these automation possibilities, Ethan's titles look like spam. For example, portable electric USB juicer, blender, bottle, smoothie maker, cup, rechargeable. Nobody was clicking. His descriptions were copied word for word from suppliers and read like they'd been Google translated 3 times. After automation, the AI listing optimizer that he used from Doba turned that same clunky title into something along the lines of fresh juice anywhere, portable rechargeable smoothie blender. Clean, simple, and clickable, and it's optimized for Shopify, TikTok Shop, and even eBay. Ethan's products went from invisible to irresistible, all without him writing a single line. Let's also dive into shipping automation with Shopify and Shopify apps. Now, of course, this is the next big headache: shipping. Customers don't just want to know their item is shipped. They expect real-time updates. And if you don't provide that, you drown in "where's my order" emails. Been there? This is where Shopify apps like AfterShip or ShipStation come in. They connect directly to your store and automatically send customers tracking links and shipping notifications. Now, before Ethan was aware of these automations, he would literally copy tracking numbers from supplier emails and paste them into Shopify one by one. He was always late, customers kept complaining, and his support inbox was a nightmare. After applying this automation, the moment his supplier ships the product, his customer gets an automated email with a live tracking link. No copying, no pasting, no late replies. His inbox is quiet, his reviews are better, and his evenings are stress-free. But what about store-wide automation? If you want to take things even further, you can use automation platforms like Shopify, Flow, Zapier, or Klaviyo to handle advanced workflows. Think about things like abandoned cart emails, automatic stock alerts, or personalized customer follow-ups. Now, before being aware that these types of automations exist, Ethan completely forgot about abandoned carts. Dozens of customers would add products, leave, and never ever come back. Sound familiar? He was too busy updating his store to send follow-up emails, but after putting similar automations like this in place, with just a few clicks, Klaviyo handles it for him. Customers who leave items in their cart automatically get a reminder with a discount code. Sales that were slipping away now recover in the background. But why does all of this matter? Let's just take a tiny step back. Ethan's story went from late nights and constant stress to a business that runs in the background while he lives his life. Before automation, he was overwhelmed, tired, and ready to quit. After automation, his store imports products automatically, syncs inventory, fulfills orders, optimizes listings, and even follows up with customers. All while he works his 9-to-5. Instead of being his second job, dropshipping became his side hustle, again, the way it was meant to be. But here's the million-dollar question. If your store is this automated, how much profit can you actually make? Think about it. If you'd like us to cover that in a deep dive in a future video, be sure to let us know in the comments. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about how Doba solves these problems, be sure to click the link in the description.